Hey guys, check out what I found. The popular Zhuoyitong app has just been listed and is now available for download in the HarmonyOS PC app market. Everyone, hurry and download and update to the latest system version, 1.15 SP7. Then, let's experience using Zhuoyitong on HarmonyOS PC. Okay, it's installed. Let me show you what Zhuoyitong offers. First off, the app market feels a bit sparse. There don't seem to be many apps. Later we'll test if we can manually install APKs. But for now, let's take a look at this. This page basically looks just like the mobile version, only blown up. In app management, there's HMS. Then select Search Apps. Choose File Transfer. Open the Settings menu to check the version number. Under Service Tool Settings, it's version 22, and there's also Full Item Management. The info in App Management is almost identical to the mobile version. Okay, let's quickly install one. Let's install DeepSeek. Now, let's see how it launches. We can see this app seems to support full screen, guys. Wow, this is impressive. Let me log in and try the app. It feels great, but you can't freely resize the window. Let's first turn it off and then check this icon to see if we can find Zhuoyitong inside. We found it, and it even has the character Zhuo. Then we click to open it and you can see it. Okay, next we'll transfer an APK to see if it can install. It's now installing. Let's see whether it is able to bypass the system whitelist. Zhuoyitong currently doesn't support Geekbench 6, so we'll transfer a renamed Geekbench 6 package. Okay, let's install the one with the modified package name. It seems the blacklist here is pretty much the same as on the phone. The renamed one can install. After it's installed, let's open it and take a look. We find it's basically the same as the phone version. Soon I'll display the benchmark results. Hold on, let me charge it. It's out of power now, so the benchmark results might be off. Next, we'll transfer some commonly used apps, like Cool APK is allowed on tablets but not on phones. Let's see if Zhuoyitong's blacklist matches the phones or the tablets. We transferred a Cool APK installer file onto this device for testing and checked functionality. Since it's not permitted to install here, it appears that the blacklist matches the one on the phone. Alright, the benchmark is done. Let's look at the scores. Single core 1260, multi-core 3579. Let's take a look at these results to see what level they're at. Next, during our latest GPU testing cycle, we found that one benchmark did not return any score, and the result of this other test remained lower than expected, so let us take a quick look at it now. For the face detection below, you need to grant camera permission, but I couldn't figure out how to enable the camera stream in Geekbench 6. For now, it might not work. I'll get back to Huawei's engineers about this later. This test shows 0 points. You can quickly check the other scores. Alright. That's the benchmark for 6 tests, and your familiar old friend Yuan Lobo can also be installed. The bottom bar has moved over to the right, and you can also install some apps. So that's what I'm sharing. HarmonyOS PC finally supports Android apps. Next, will the haters say, "This is just an Android store"? Alright, that's all for right now. Thanks so much, everyone.